If you've inherited a property in Powell, Ohio, or if you're dealing with some type of probate situation that involves a property in or around Powell, Ohio, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin with Sell House Columbus, and for over 14 years, we've been buying inherited properties in and around Powell, Ohio. And the main reason people like working with us is we're going to keep it simple. You already have enough going on. If you're dealing with an inherited type of situation, there's probably a lot of paperwork involved and attorneys and courts and everything else. We're not here to add to the complexity. We're not here to make things more confusing. We're here to make things less confusing and keep it simple. And we're going to be able to do that by buying the property in its true as-is condition. So what that means is you don't need to put any work into the property. You don't need to fix anything up or clean anything up or, sink your hard-earned money into this. You don't need to, haul anything off either. Our conversation with you is simple. You can take anything that you want out of the property, any family heirlooms or belongings or collectibles, that's all yours. Anything that you just don't want or don't need, you don't need to haul it away. You can just leave it behind. We'll take care of it because we're a true as-is buyer. This is not a traditional type of buyer. A traditional buyer is someone who might be working with a realtor, and then you got to pay them commissions, and that type of traditional buyer, they got to qualify for a loan. The property needs to be appraised. You got to have all these different formal inspections. We're not going to have any of that whatsoever. You don't need to rely on an appraisal or rely on our lender to approve this. We're going to be able to buy it for cash, keep it simple, not drag this thing out and waste your time, because that's the last thing anybody needs is their time wasted. People just want clear certainty, and that's what we're here to provide. We're going to be able to close on your timeline. So what that means is if you want to or need to close quickly, since we're a cash buyer, we have the ability to close extremely quickly. If you need more flexibility, if something needs to happen in your life before you can close on the inherited property in Powell, that's perfectly fine too. We can provide flexibility if that's what you need, or provide speed if that's what you need when selling the inherited property in Powell, Ohio. So pick up the phone, give us a call at 614-300-5151, or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. Our conversation with you is going to be very easy. We just need to understand any timelines that you might be facing and understand more about the property. And we're going to make you a fair cash offer on the property. If our offer works for you, great. We'll move forward. We use a very simple agreement. There is not a lot of fine print. There's no fine print. There's no hidden agenda or hidden fees or anything like that. It's very simple. And then we're going to make you a cash offer. If our cash offer works for you, great, we'll move forward. If it doesn't work for you, we'll just shake hands and part as friends. We're not going to apply pressure. We're not going to, leave a bad taste in your mouth whatsoever. And at least now you know what your options are. You know where we are. We understand where you are. There's no crime and no foul by giving us a call to understand what your options are. So our number again is 614-300-5151, or you can visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. You'll fill out a simple form and we'll get on a call. Again, it's very easy, no pressure. We're an as-is cash buyer. There's no fees, commissions. You could close on the date of your choice, and we're going to keep it simple from beginning to end. My name is Dave Perichin, once again from Sell House Columbus. Our number again, 614-300-5151. Website, sellhousecolumbus.com. I look forward to working with you.